This is a video walkthrough tour of 24187 West Zak Road in Buckeye, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you'd want to call home. Service Star Realty has been doing property management in Buckeye, Arizona since we opened our doors in 2011. We strive to be the best property management company in Buckeye. Welcome to this beautiful, brand new 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. All 3 guest bedrooms provide lots of extra flex space and are conveniently located close to the laundry room. In addition, all bedrooms feature ceiling fans for added comfort. This home is available, and if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, www.leaseaz.com. You can view more photos of this home, make an appointment to view it at your own convenience, and you can apply for this home as well. Again, that's www.leaseaz.com. The main living area is truly the heart of the home, as the kitchen and living room flow together seamlessly to create a wonderful open-concept living space. The wraparound kitchen features a large center island and beautiful wood cabinetry. And the master suite overlooks the gorgeous backyard. It is on a separate side of the home as the other bedrooms for a more private feel, and comes with an oversized walk-in closet and bathroom with a walk-in shower. Thanks for watching.